Is your Volvo XC40's infotainment screen stuck on Infotainment System Starting? This is a common software glitch, particularly in 2018-2024 models using the Android Automotive OS. The primary causes include incomplete system shutdowns, low battery levels, below 10%, or conflicting app issues. A temporary software glitch or corrupted cache is often the culprit, preventing the system from fully initializing. Fortunately, the fix is usually straightforward, involving rebooting or updating your system software. No hardware replacement is typically needed. The system runs on a Linux-based Android variant, making it susceptible to memory leaks or update interruptions. Extreme temperatures affecting battery voltage can also exacerbate the issue. Volvo has been proactively addressing this with over-the-air OTA updates to improve system stability and error handling. First, try a soft reboot. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This clears temporary glitches without data loss and is effective in 60 to 70% of cases. If that doesn't work, check for software updates using the Volvo Cars app on your smartphone. Ensure your car is connected to Wi-Fi for a faster download. Volvo has been aggressively rolling out OTA updates, such as Update 2025.2.1, which specifically targets infotainment boot loops. If the issue persists, consider visiting a Volvo dealership for a system reset or to check if your vehicle is part of any voluntary recalls, such as Campaign 2025-04 for certain 2023-2024 models. Volvo also plans to integrate Google's Android Automotive OS updates directly by 2026, potentially eliminating boot freezes through better sandboxing and auto recovery features.